In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut any object mesh in half in Blender. We'll use the bisect tool, which is the fastest way to slice geometry along a custom plane and instantly remove or cap one side. It's simple, precise, and perfect for quick edits or creating symmetry. Start by opening Blender and clicking the object you want to cut in the 3D viewport. Confirm you've got the correct mesh active before moving on, especially if your scene has multiple objects. Next, press Tab to switch into edit mode. This puts you directly in control of the mesh's vertices, edges, and faces, rather than the object as a whole. To make sure the cut applies evenly, press A to select all geometry. This avoids partial cuts and ensures the slice runs cleanly through the entire object. Now, activate the bisect tool, press F3 to open the search bar, type bisect, and select it from the results. With the tool active, click and drag across your mesh to draw the cut line. Think of this line as defining a slicing plane that passes through the object. The direction you drag influences which side is considered inside or outside, so take a moment to position your view and draw the line where you want the divide to be. If you need a perfectly centered cut, make sure your object is aligned to the world origin at 0, 0, 0 before you bisect. Right after you draw the line, look to the bottom left of the viewport for the operator panel where the bisect options appear. Here you'll find clear inner and clear outer. Clear inner removes one side of the cut, while clear outer removes the opposite side. If you're not sure which to choose, simply toggle between them and watch the mesh update in real time until the unwanted half disappears. If you want the exposed cross-section sealed, enable fill. This caps the cut surface so the mesh isn't hollow, which is especially useful for hard surface models, symmetrical objects, and game assets where closed manifold geometry helps with shading and downstream operations. Finally, orbit around your model to inspect the result from different angles. Check that the edge is clean, the correct side was removed, and the filled surface, if enabled, looks solid. If anything isn't right, press Ctrl+Z to undo, redraw the bisect line, or adjust the options until you're satisfied. And that's it. With the bisect tool, cutting any object mesh in half is quick, clean, and controllable. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.